All right, y'all. As y'all can see, we in Philly D's yard. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I done already did some of this grass here, but then further down you can tell like where it gets higher. So we're gonna cut some grass today, y'all. Y'all with Philly D's yard. All right, let's get it popping. Nice little day. Get up in here, get our lawnmower out real quick. Okay, this is the other Philly D's garage. We got the Honda right here. Let's pull it out. You know what I'm saying? No time to waste. This is what I do in my spare time. I'm still working on my spare time, y'all. So this is a Honda right here, if you guys couldn't tell. Let's pull it down here real quick. Let's take a little walk in Philly D's yard. Beautiful, right? Not really. A lot of work. That's what this is. A lot of work. But I don't know if y'all can tell, I done already cut some of this. So now I'm just gonna continue to cut some more. Got a long way to go, about 1.5 acres to cut. So yeah, we're just gonna cut some grass, man. So I already got my level set. I gotta set the level 1, so that's the lowest setting. Be careful. It's a lot of rocks out here, man. I done already chopped up a bunch of shit with this, and this is not meant to chop up a bunch of shit. It's meant to chop up grass. So you gotta watch out for any sticks and stuff like that. Make sure you got fuel in here. I got fuel in here. Well, let's make sure. Yeah, it's pretty full. I keep my gas tanks full. They always full. All right, so see, closed. Fuel valve is open, right? It's in line with this hose here. I got it on mulch, so it's just gonna cut, and it's not gonna put it inside the bag, which is this one. This one is cut and then bag it with the bag up here. I'm just gonna cut it and leave it there. That's the oil stick over here. All right, I got oil in there. So let's get started, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta cut this grass, man. So I want to do at least up to this little tennis court up here that keeps falling down forever. So you gotta close this like that, close it, and pull this. Oh, forgot to tell you guys, this mower has a thing right here where it helps you accelerate. So it's called Smart Drive. So all you gotta do is just push this, and it basically drives for you. So kind of cool, right? Let's go. let's take a break. I know I tell you guys, first of all, if you still watching, I appreciate it. You know what I mean? But I know you guys, I tell you guys Honda, you know, is one of the best manufacturers you can buy, which is true. And that's why I have a Honda what the fuck is this, Mower. So if you're going out to buy one, just get something durable. I'm not saying something other than Honda wouldn't work, but I just chose to pick a Honda because I personally know Honda from working on the cars and stuff like that, so I trust them. You know what I mean? So, you know, you pick and choose what you want, but you know, I just wanted to elaborate on, you know, why I got a Honda lawnmower. So yeah, let's cut some more of this grass. Close it, pull it. Make a U-turn. I don't know if you guys seen that I made one of those CTSV U-turns on this bar right here. Like I said, you guys gotta watch out what you're gonna run over. Fucking kids, motherfuckers. All right, you get that out the way. But I don't know if y'all can tell, but I made a big difference already going up this line back and forth. You want to make a little pattern or how you want to get it done. This thing moves pretty quick though. With that little acceleration that it helps you with, it moves this thing, and it actually, you burn some calories with this thing. So I could get this yard done pretty quick. So just wanted to show y'all a little difference where I'm at so far. But let's do this for a couple more minutes, man. I ain't gonna do it too much longer, but you know, let's go. Start it back up real quick. Watch those sticks. Close it. Pull it. tell you guys, I don't know if y'all can really tell that I'm zigging and zagging. I'm basically going around big ass fucking sticks. Y'all might not be able to see it, but I can see it. But I wanted to again elaborate on this Honda right here. Now they got a better one than this, but they wanted like $400 some more than this just to cut up the moats better or some dumb shit. Now I want to say, like, I want to elaborate on this Honda because it's a Honda is built better than a Craftsman or Cobalt. It just simply is. So it's more durable, and like, so when you do hit sticks and shit like that, something that you're not supposed to run over, this will run it over and it's going to chop it up. You know what I'm saying? So you really ain't got that much to worry about as far as this thing breaking down, because it's built with quality. You know what I'm saying? So you don't really have to panic if you run over something. Just keep it moving, watch bigger stuff, and keep going. You know what I'm saying? And this thing gonna pour through it. Let's go. Close it. Pull it. Something like this, that Honda would have chopped it right up though, to be honest with you. But you gotta watch out for that. Oh, Kobe. That's right. Let's keep it going. right, guys, so if y'all haven't noticed, I'm not going all the way to the side, to the edges, because there's a lot of sticks and shit that I can't see, you know, so I don't want to go just chopping in the bush and not knowing what's under it. So I'm gonna take care of that, you know, later. But right now I'm just trying to clear the field up. As you can see, the progress I made in that short period of time with just this. So yeah, looks way better, but still a lot more work to go. So let's just bang some more out for a couple more minutes. And as y'all can see, this thing's still running with the fuel, so it ain't cut out yet. I think it was full when I started, so y'all may or may not see how long this thing will last on a full tank. But I mean, that's not even half the acre yet, not even, probably maybe a quarter of the acre. So I mean, and that did a lot. So, and you guys might not see the little otters and shit out here, and the turkeys and the deers and shit. They probably didn't already ran the fuck off. But yeah, if we catch one, we might cook one. Who knows? Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Over the stuff that you miss. Y'all seen it. I dodged one tree stump and I hit another one. Bonus footage. All right, guys. You got a little hype there. So hopefully I didn't fuck nothing up. But as you can see, look at the progress. Look at it. Get one. It's a Honda 170. All right. Anyway, guys, get focused. So yeah, so as you can see, it's way better. And then you can compare it to Infinity and beyond that way. But it's a big difference, man. This thing is cutting for sure. Look at this grass here. Look how tall it is. My hand is like right here. That's like 2 feet, some shit. And then over here, it's totally cut. Let's check the fuel real quick. Make sure we good, because you don't want to run dry. If your fuel pump run with nothing running through it, then you know what's going to happen. This thing is, damn. This thing got a lot of fuel left, guys. Hey, listen, if you guys want to stick around with me, then fuck it, we could do a little bit more. You know what I mean? And we ain't make it to the soccer thing yet anyway. So I think that's what I said I was initially going to do anyway. Fuck it, let's get it popping. Let's go. Damn, good thing I wasn't driving a car. Like, I literally just lost control right there. But I went to go get one little tweak that I seen that I missed. All that for that one little, you see that? Y'all see that? Let's go. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I am tired as shit, yo. And I still didn't make it to the fucking tennis fucking strap thing I was talking about. I'm honestly being honest right now. Like, I'm tired, yo. You gotta have some stamina to fucking do this shit back and forth. Fuck that. It's supposed to be the day off, guys. I'll tell you one thing. This Honda is pretty efficient, y'all. Now, I'm pretty sure I still got a half a tank left. Let's check it. Yeah, that's probably more than, that's probably at least half. And this thing is still going. This machine outdid me, because this guy is about to get put away right now, like right now. Oh, look, I missed one. Got him. All right, guys, we're gonna go put this thing up where he belongs. But look, if y'all could take a look, I cut that grass, yo. Look at it. That shit cut. Big difference. You see how high it is over there? It's pretty low here. Big difference, y'all. And this GoPro battery is about to die, so that's another reason why I'm gonna stop the video while I can before it just cuts off. Yeah, y'all, this Honda, man, this thing is fucking, it's a beast. Make sure you change the oil on it. You gotta change the oil on it. Keep fresh fuel in it. Check the spark plug that's on there. It's almost like a car, but it's 2-cycle instead of a 4-cycle. And these things that run forever. So get them in there. Come on, get in there. Holy shit. Now, what I like to do is I like to put fuel in it when I'm done, so when I go to start again, it's already full and I ain't gotta worry about filling it up. But this thing is literally fucking still full. Like, I must have overfilled it or something. I don't know, because we just did a lot. That was about 20 minutes of doing what we was doing. Yeah, you gotta understand, that's constant motion of that engine. I mean, we was doing that. How many minutes now? Where's it been? Over 33 minutes. Holy shit. So yeah, guys, there we go. I'm going to end it with that. Catch you on the next one when I'm doing some more of that grass, because I still got a whole half of acre left. That got to be at least, I don't know, that's at least a half of an acre left. Holy fuck. Yep. Yeah. So I'll catch you on the next one. Tune in if y'all want to cut some grass with Philly D's landscaping. Honestly, I could probably set up my own fucking landscaping business with the fucking shit I got, you know what I'm saying? And honestly, I think I might put a lift in here, y'all. I might put a lift in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I gotta take this shit down, move this shit out the way, so I could put a lift here and actually do shit that I want to do. You know what I mean? And I have the time to record my own videos the way I want to. Look, that's a G35 exhaust right there. I gotta put that shit on. Yeah, y'all, let me know how y'all do your landscaping, man, and let me know, give me some pointers, because I'm not no landscaping freak. I don't even know how to landscape. I'm learning every time I turn it on. So y'all chime in, let me know what I did wrong, or what type of pointers y'all can give me, man. Comment below. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Check you on the next one.